That's unusual. Really? Good flower. Well, you know, being inspired, an inspiration for my year past. What was the magenta one I done talked to up there at Portland, Indiana last year at that Tri-State Tractor Show? The person was camped next to where we was at in the roll-up things. Briggs and Stratton Products was his niche in life. Just another vendor, you would think, at a tractor show. So the last day of the show, we was camped next to I think it's Brothers, a family operation. And we was camped. Our space was next door. Last day of the show, introduced to the gentleman some really old, nice stuff. But his business sense that he relayed to me, how he produced the parts that he has inspired myself to finish this project. Pull these cables as go by.
Pull them as I go by?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right here's two.
Yes, sir. I got you.
But right here's one.
Yes, sir. How about that? This one?
No, yes.
Stand on.
What do you think?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
is that what he done?
Did you think I'd do that?
I knew it was fixing to get 10 sets of wheels.
That's a lot of work.
That is a lot of work.
What'd you do?
Cut them axles and drill them holes and.
You know, if I worked up here at the machine shop and that was the order.
Hey, buddy.
To make some axles and put them in there, and I did that, and they were setting that on the dock.
Yeah.
What are you doing, huh?
I agree.
What are you doing?
Okay, it's about took me down now. It's heavy. 4 minute time.
Just leave them right there. I'll get them from there.
It's hard on me.
Oh, I know it is. I already know.
Oh yeah. Hey, y'all stop by the booth. That will be over in the among population where I'm not sure what the row is. That'll be up here at Portland Tri-State Engine Show. Go on by and get your engine cart kit, take it home, weld it up. Thanks now.